Cryptanalysis is a study and the practice which is done by the attacker to extract the code, to extract the actual contents of the encrypted information. Like in the previous sections, we discussed about some cryptography. Now, using cryptography, we are going to secure the communication between the two devices. Now, probably what attacker will do is attacker will try to capture that particular code or the encrypted data, and then probably trying to figure out the clear text by using some different types of attacks. And this study, this concept typically we call as cryptanalysis. So it's like the attacker using some attacks to crack the code without actually having the keys. So there are different methods which attacker can use to do these things. Like there are brute force attacks. The different attacks, in the brute force attacks, attacker will have some portion of a ciphertext, and he will try to run all the kind of decryption keys against that particular ciphertext and try to extract the clear text information. Of course, it is not going to be easy if you are using a stronger with a more bits encryption algorithms probably, but if you're using some kind of lesser encryption algorithms like DES, it can be cracked fast enough with the current processing powers. Now, some other options attacker can use is Known-Plaintext. Now, in the Known-Plaintext, the attacker have some portion of a text, some portion of both a plain text and the ciphertext. Probably he captures some portion of the plain text and the ciphertext with some man-in-the-middle attacks, and the attacker will try to use some kind of attacker. What he'll do is he'll try to encrypt this plain text by using some algorithms, and then probably try some keys to get back this information to clear text and compare the combinations, or probably match any one of these things. So we'll try to use all the combinations until the match exactly found. Now, some other options like a ciphertext only. In ciphertext only, the attacker captures some part of the ciphertext packets encrypted with the same key, and then he will use some analysis in order to find out what might be the possible encryption key. Chosen-Plaintext. Now, the attacker chooses different types of plain text and do some kind of encryption, and then he's going to observe those ciphertext and try to match with the ciphertext what he captured, and then probably find out the encryption key. Again, Chosen-Plaintext, it is more similar to the previous one, where attacker chooses some different types of ciphertext, and he will convert into decrypt that, and then observe the ciphertext and tries and identify the encryption keys. The last one is like birthday attack. Birthday attack is just like you may have some two different messages may get the same digest value, probably possibility is there. So just like, you know, this attack is more like a group of 23 people may have the same birthday, which is something around probably above 50%. That's like what attacker will do is attacker say, let's take an example. Your boss signs some document, and probably what attacker will do is attacker will try to replace the document with a bad one, and then prepare all the different types of documents and try to compare that with that one.